Hello, and welcome to my English class.
Today we are going to learn the to be verb in present simple. But how do we use it? The present simple tense is commonly used to express general truths, habitual actions, or permanent situations. It is a fundamental part of English grammar. Let's have a look. How do we use it? We use the present simple to be to talk about personal information. Age. For example, how old are you? I am 12 years old. Introduce people. For example, hello. How are you? My name is. The time. What time is it? It is 11 o'clock. The weather. For example, what's the weather like? It is sunny. Price. For example, how much is it? It is 20. Countries. For example, where are you from? I am from France. Nationalities. I am French. Colors. For example, it is blue. Feelings. He is exhausted. Conjugation. To write a sentence in present simple to be, it's necessary to start with the personal pronoun or subject. Plus be. Plus complement. For example, I am Colombian.
If you like this video, take a moment to put thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and activate notifications so you won't miss any of my videos that I'm uploading constantly, and that will help you to learn English.
Verb to be. Forms. Affirmative. I am from Colombia. You are a secretary. He is very sad. She is a soccer player. It is brown color. We are students. You are happy. They are at work. Negative. I am not from Colombia. You are not a secretary. He is not very sad. She is not a soccer player. It is not brown color. We are not students. You are not happy. They are not at work. Question and answers. Am I from Colombia? Yes, I am. Are you a secretary? Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Is he very sad? Yes, he is. Is she a soccer player? Yes, she is. It is brown color. Yes. Are we students? Yes, we are. Are you happy? Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Are they at work? Yes, they are. That's all for today. I hope you have learned how to use the to be verb in present simple. See you next time for more videos. Thanks for watching.